Hi, this is the right height sensor for the Mercedes-Benz, okay? This is a front left side. This is the old one, I took it out. That's the new one, I just put it in. The key to do this job is, first, you remove this. Oh, it's 10 millimeter, but put a 9mm wrench right here so you can lose that bolt. Otherwise, you will have a hard time. Okay, once remove that, this arm gonna come forward. Now, it's the 10mm on the bracket. Those two, one here, one in the back, okay? It's very easy to do the job if you move the air straw, but I choose not to because I did it without removing it. Save a lot of time. Install it will be the same way, okay? And on the side of, once you remove, take it, the two bolts out, this is 8mm on the side of the bracket. You gotta remove it. It's 8mm. I use that, all right? The whole key is to remove it. I use this one and this one. This is 10mm magnetic, okay? When lose that first to a point, you use this, so it will not drop inside, okay? Then, the fun one, the trick is you have to use the wrench like this, all right? Because there's no room. There's no room. It's blocked by the air straw. To lose this, like this, you have to use this wrench, all right? So install is the same way, okay? Install the back one first. When you lose the back one first. Then install like this. This, see? You can reach it, but to put it in, you gotta be patient. It might take a few minutes to get this on the thread. Then you can use the wrench to tighten it, all right? That's the whole thing. You don't have to remove this whole thing, all right? Save a lot of time. And this is the connector, all right? Just squeeze it, come right out. This outside bracket is broken, so don't worry about it. This is finished. Just squeeze and push it in. You hear the click? That's it. That's it. It's done deal, all right? The whole key is that 2 screw. If you can get to it, you can do the job, all right? Very 10mm, 10mm, 10mm. If you want to remove the top one, you can do that too, if you wish, all right? So it will be totally out of the way. Once you get the sensor out, that's 2 8mm, all right? That's it. Simple as that, all right? This is the right height sensor. The 3 right height sensor. This is the driver's side on the left. That's another one on the right, okay? And there is one in the middle of that sway bar, okay? In the middle of the car. It's not on the side like this, okay? There's only one in the back, all right? All the same model, so you gotta find out which model. You can find out on the rear of it. This one is, yeah, 8010-542-7617. Every car is different, but they all come with the same, all 3 of them, okay? That's it. This is the right height sensor for Mercedes E-Class, okay? Most other cars, Mercedes, are the same, but they're just different type of sensor, different model of the sensor. All right, thank you for watching.